Welcome back, YouTube, and how you guys doing today? As you can see, my name is Mysterious Mr. Shadow, and as you can see, we're playing Steven Universe Save the Light once again. Apparently, we got a lot of Steven Universe fans out here. Hope you guys can hear me correctly. Hold on real quick. There we go. Apparently, we got a lot of people here. Well, how's everyone doing today? I'm doing great. Should have done something, anyway, where was I? Oh, let me go turn on my fan hottest. All the heck out here. What don't say today? Yes. On the last conversation we had, I was talking about Steven Universe and how I think Greg wasn't the greatest person. He was the greatest person, but I have to admit, he kind of just lacked being a father figure. Don't get me wrong, he was a great dad. He wasn't just there all the time. And it really just kind of shocked me in a way that he was darn it. There's an achievement for getting an entire a combo in a row. Well, I think I did, but still. Wow. Crazy with speed and oh, me.
Hey!
Oh, darn it. There we go.
Wait for it.
Ooh, Pearl does a lot of damage. I mean, if you're getting her stuff angled first.
Hey!
Oops.
Wait for it. There!
There we go. That's like a little Pearl leaps over and does it. It's kind of in a way. I didn't know I said that, but don't get me wrong, I do wish Greg was in Steven's life a little bit more. Instead of what
my
the
page!
series. Oh, I didn't know Steven said that. Cheeseburger backpack pulls down.
Leveling up is just the best!
After cheeseburger backpack cooldown is increased by. That ain't bad. What's the next level? The healing effect of Steven's hands is increased. What are the other ones? Luck. I need to get luck up. No, so I need to get that up big time. Also, I could train if I wanted to. I can believe I forgot when we did. What? Okay then. What did I do last? I forgot what there's a work pad. Oh yeah. Also, we're doing this now. Yep, we're doing this. Nope. Whoa, that's a lot of it. Okay then, hold on real quick. Oh, that's the boss.
Guys, how about this?
I mean, the cooldown time is a little faster. I think it is, or it's kind of a mini boss. Oh, he got it. That didn't work. Wait, also, there was, I don't know, there's something I've always been curious about. What, I haven't seen Connie with any other person again besides Steven. What is Steven doing with Garnet or Amethyst or Pearl? We haven't seen exactly what those would look like. That's so weird that Connie only has one Steven. I mean, I didn't even realize Connie only has one piece. And that's the reason. I may be wrong and it was partial, but I mean, for real? Nothing for Connie. Like, she only gets one piece, and so does Red. Well, not really. I mean, if you count the whole thing with, by default, if you count the whole thing with, sorry about that. The whole thing with,
here somewhere. Guys, how about this?
I mean, the whole thing with, oh, he's got me kidding.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
There we go. I mean, don't get me wrong or anything, but I mean, Greg and Connie don't really have that many fusions. Unless there was something in the book, like there was concept design of them having more fusions. But never really see those look like the big donut. So it's a lot of help.
Wait for it.
Oh, of course, they that's all right.
Wait for it.
Oh, really? That's ironic, I guess. But anyway, I mean, I really don't think
Wait for it.
or having Connie or Greg technically having that. I may be wrong. Oh. Are they talking about Pearl? There we go. Ooh, that took longer than expected. Hey, Amethyst got a level up.
All day, air day.
Single web electric damage means that affects will end if oh, neat. That was. Oh, what are you? Fire Assault attacks and blocks burn effects for a short time.
Cheeseburger back.
Oh, that's a reference to the other show. Okay, what?
Yow, yow, yow.
I have to reference their luck. Even though I want to put more on defense and attack, we should get more on their luck. Anyway, again, that's also something that really irks me. Is again, I really wish that there should have been more with fusions as well, besides what we got. I mean, we got a lot, but I mean, Fusion could have showed a lot of different fusions, like, for instance, the one I said with Connie. in a Greg. Oop. And they will match it. Oh, it's gone. Isn't it? I think it is. That's kind of weird. Okay, here we are. Wait, that's it?
Let's blow this popsicle stand.
Oh, thanks a lot. Wow, I know there's more, but I think because the reason that little
Let's get
secret
this
door...
party started.
That's kind of weird. There we go. Also, here's something that's weird. A lot of people have kind of seen that Jasper has a tarp. She had a cave system, or in this case, she lived out in the caves. What happened with Amethyst and Jasper? It's never explained what happened. Especially the tarp gaps.
Hessenite.
That's a nod.
Can it be? A crystal gem? So, my prism wasn't the only thing that managed to stay intact after the diamond's retaliation. Was it you that activated my prism? No wonder the poor thing's so confused. You don't even know how to properly use it. Let me show you how it's done.
Whoa!
That should do the trick. Isn't this nostalgic? And here I thought the war was over. Well, it will be now. Goodbye.
Whoa!
Oh man, that monster. It's... Furnace Face!
Steven, did you really just name the monster?
Well, yeah. Doesn't it seem like a big boss monster like this needs a name?
Get ready, team.
Oh, I think I call it this one.
I know I put it in here somewhere.
That's what I needed.
Oh, no, you don't.
You're strong in the real way, Pearl. What am I gonna pick? What am I gonna pick? Do your thing, thing!
Oh, we're seriously doing that. Wait. Wait, if the maximum is 10?
Wait for it.
I didn't know the
Maybe
Oh, I'm
this?
sorry about that. I didn't even know the maximum was 10. Wait, I wonder if I...
Just need the perfect opening.
There!
Okay, then.
Just need the perfect opening.
Okay, then. I'm so sorry about that.
What am I gonna pick? What am I gonna pick?
Oh. for real.
Positive energy.
Cheeseburger backpack!
We ain't doing this, people.
One thingy coming right up.
How's it?
Man.
Whoa.
How about maybe this?
Alright, guys, run. There we go.
Watch it. Not again. Concentrate.
I know. This'll do the trick.
There's a achievement for the game and everything that,
Wait for it.
There.
Wait for it.
There. Oh, man.
Hey,
Wait for it.
There. Steven, I'm sorry.
oh, come on.
do
I'm gonna lose
this.
that.
game over for me.
Yeah,
Wait for it.
There.
sorry you guys didn't. Oh, this is the first time we lost. No. I wonder what the other. I'm sorry about that. If you guys can hear me.
Steven, look at this place.
Maybe I can train a little bit.
We can't stop now.
Well, by default, you can keep re-entering and entering a place. I could actually spend some time training. and stuff. Okay, why does it do that? I don't know. But there was an achievement for the for this if you defeat a boss. I wish there was one extra. I really do. Wait,
What
is
am
my
I
stuff
gonna
on?
pick? What am I gonna pick?
Yes, it is. Really? If I lose a boss battle, that's the first thing that happens. Great. That's kind of awkward.
Bloop.
Oh yeah, I forgot to even have bubbles right now. And even if I did, I have.
Item, I
And I
choose
got that.
you.
So.
Gem powers, activate.
This also gives me.
Who loves bubbles? Gem powers, activate.
There we go.
Just need the perfect opening.
There.
Wow, I am very terrible with aim.
Benissimo.
Bravo, Steven!
I wish that would happen each time. Oh, it does.
Benissimo.
Neat. Okay, we're doing this. We're doing this. I wonder if actually where it depends, because I think the cards, oh, they're all in one place, but... this kind of takes a long time to do. It really does. Come on now.
Guys, I don't feel
Got
so
just
hot.
the thing. Maybe this?
What do I Still need though. Whoa.
Check out them skills.
Okay.
Great concentration.
Come on. Oh wait, they're all in the same place.
Wait for it.
There.
Wait for it.
Sorry if I'm not
There.
but I mean, there's a lot of people here who fans here. I didn't know that. Oh.
Ronnie, you're amazing.
Oh, I guess if I'm doing a perfect strike, I wasn't perfect, but still. Where are you going?
Bravo, Steven!
And there goes that. least I now know. Ah. But at least I now know what perfect text is.
I've got just the thing.
But I seriously need to go back to the video clip and
Steven, I can do this. For you. Yeah, get him, Connie. That's what I needed.
there
Ready
we
for
go.
action.
They can do their I'm not gonna do that now. I'm gonna do that during the boss fight. Oh, the only one in the world that has got
Hooray for Connie!
It's ironic that Pearl
Wait for it.
But anyway, at least I know that I'm able to come back and kind of just do these again and again, which actually kind of works. What? Huh? Oh, I did not know that was a thing. Wow. Oh, he's incredibly weak. You won't, I didn't know that. Nope. There we go. Darn it. Wait. Oh. Oh, good. Pearl and, Connie level.
Wonderful.
Fireball. Aim up the 3 high damage fireballs at multiple enemies. Apple burn effect and shield. Oh, good! Finally! I need to break this.
With rigorous study and training, I can do this.
Okay, I need to have their luck up. Luck and attack damage. Could have their defense up. It costs more. Yeah, I guess I can go with their luck damage. Pearl.
Oh, hello everyone.
He needs... Wait. No, wait.
Yo, yo, yo.
One must always be prepared. Why, yes, I did earn this.
Ah. The mission average, let's see. I can give. Who got more attack?
I shall wear it with pride.
This.
So equipped.
Let's see. Very slow response heal items. I'll give.
Don't mind if I do.
That's the stun effect. Defense at 20. Total heal by 50 can only be worn by human and half gems. Also, badges really do count. I wonder if stuff responds to. Yep. It does. Oh. That's good. I can also get items too. Yeet! I wonder what's in there. Damn it, that's not up. Oh, yeah. What?
Hey!
Too late for that. Actually. Okay then. That's gonna fit.
Oh man!
Oh, come on. You wanna get it perfect, I think,
Ah, hey! Hey!
oh, no, you didn't. Let's check them out for now. Okay. But not a perfect path, huh?
Just need the perfect opening.
Okay, that also makes sense. That makes a lot more sense, I guess.
Guys,
How about... Do your thing, thing!
Come on, cheeseburger back.
Just need the perfect opening.
There we go. Boom. Seriously? I wonder what's in there. I mean, I could find a warp pad. I mean, I got a ton of money on me at the moment, so it's not like I are light prisms. I can't tell what these are. I didn't know we had a lot of Steven Universe's fans. Anyway, I'm sorry if I'm up. For real, I'm stuck. Yeah, Steven, it's stuck. Are you serious? Wow, for real? Oh, yeah, that is a major glitch. I guess they weren't really consistent on. Oh, there we go. Ladies and gentlemen, I did not know that was physically possible, to say the least, that Steven can actually get stuck. Legitly, I didn't know that. I think you should have this South Park kind of rule thing. Oh, it actually kind of is funny though in how what they look very happy and cheerful when they're walking around. That is a pretty strong attack, I'll give them that much. Generally speaking, there we go. There we go. Alright, let's see what I can get for Steven.
Ready, Freddy?
Can't really do much when it comes to attack, but I could. The increase of Steven.
Leveling up is just the best.
That will work. Now his attack is like 12.
What up?
Let's try. Ooh, I hope you guys can hear that. Amethyst. Try 1. Go. There we go. Alright. I think we're now capable of skipping.
What am I gonna pick? What am I gonna pick? This'll do the trick.
Even though my butt doesn't have that much when it comes to resources, this is the best I can come up with. Also, those. I think that one's on. Also, where's the one feature on this darn thing?
Ready when you guys are.
My tongue still burns, people. I actually ate something earlier, but either
Here
way,
we
I would
are.
agree when it comes to. A lot of people do kind of say that. Generally speaking.
Asinine.
Can it? Was it? No, what? Let me show.
Wait, really? If I lose?
That should do the trick. It's goodbye.
Oh man, it's the Bladinator!
Steven,
Well,
get ready,
Oh,
team.
wait. Really? Oh, look, it even. I was right, it does spin. Alright.
Don't tell my parents about this one.
Why? They already know. Alright, easy, just make it.
oh man, it looks mad.
Gonna take more than that.
For you.
There we go.
So cool.
So cool. Oh, there's Garnet.
Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Wow.
Wow, that was so one total pickle. Thanks for the save, Garnet. Whoa, the prism.
Oh no.
Oh, no, man. Oh man, our prison is in another castle. Really? Really? A Mario West woman that's before Jim. You said her name was Ash. Yeah, what's her deal? It's a long story. She's a son, Shred. We're going to need to act quickly. I know we need to go. Let's head to a warpath team. I have a serious problem when it comes to biting my nails. Oh, there's a toaster.
Rito! Always wanted one of these.
So you can run. You need to find a special location to use it. Wait, what? Oh.
Ooh, I know.
Go for it. Yep.
Hello.
Let it go up. And we can't do it in the lock. Oh wait. Yeah. Wait. How much is
That's how you level up.
heavy hammer.
Check this out, Steven.
Alright, there you go. Not done yet here. Excellent.
Stop, more adventure.
We're not done here at all. Did we find all of his? I think we didn't because we don't have...
Stick together, team.
Is there mail yet? Oh, stuff here. Also, why haven't they found that? Oh wait. I didn't know what that was, but okay then, sorry about that. I wonder what this is. Another one? What are these? Like, where do I freaking do what? I need to go into Steven's house or something and go mess with them? This is there's a special area to go mess with them, so I don't know. That's kind of a little irritating. Still a few secrets here. No, there isn't.
Ooh, I know.
This is the ironic part because I got these items. Frankly, you guys can maybe tell me in the comment section where most of these items go. I may be horribly wrong, but we're gonna do something. I heard Garnet and Steven. I heard Garnet alone, and I think Steven and Save the Light. I may be wrong. Well, wait, no, this is the sequel. Garnet and Steven alone. Specifically, Steven and Garnet. Garnet can KO everything, basically. Boy. Sorry for what I was capable of hearing. Oh, seasoned perfect timing. Another pie that needs to go out. This one is for Onion. At least I'm assuming it was him. The phone call was just unable noises. Yep, that's probably Onion. Oh, I've seen Onion a couple of times. Oh, I'm moved by his phone. Cool, you found some of them, but I really need 10. The thing is, I do have 10 people above. Oh, I guess that makes sense. No, it doesn't. Why not? Let's see what Garth does. This one breaks her shield. This one breaks shields. Oh, okay then.
Ready? Fire!
Oh, okay. Alright, come on.
Oh!
Great, I don't have anyone. What the fake? Why is that this all that paper mache or something?
Check out them skills.
There we go. Wait, really? Okay. So... Sorry about that. How do I get up there? I mean, I can assume I can jump up there, but still. Hey, Steven, you won't mind having to have anything to do. Oh, it's just that. Wait, can Garnet do this too? Whoa, okay then, well. I'm so definitely sorry about that. This stupid thing wanted to, just mess up on me. I'm really sorry about that, guys. What are these two again? Oh, okay. Wait. Why can Garnet jump higher? Okay. I'm so sorry about that, guys. I didn't know that was gonna happen. Hey, what? Where's Onion's mom at? Oh, there she is. I'm sorry you guys can hear me that much.
Positive energy. I know I put it in here somewhere. Do your thing.
Why?
Positive energy.
Okay, then at least I know how to do that.
Take a look. It's in a book.
Ah!
Reading rainbow.
Ready? Ready?
Alright then. Wait, what? I still keep it? That's weird. Right, now we gotta go all the way back. Seriously, why is this fucking statue always? Still look like there's still more secrets. But I think we can find onion pretty easily. Anyway, it's like I wish specifically that they would, because don't get me wrong, I understand that Greg really is a good, decent father. It's just not, he was kind of there 24/7 for the Crystal Gem. I mean, Steve specifically. Look what happened. Oh, wait. I completely forgot at the lighthouse. I mean, there is a warp pad over there, so that means also the barn, if I remember correctly. Oh, lions there, so that's good. How do I get in there? I mean, there's that, so. For real. Right. Darn it! There we go. Anyway, we're gonna go find it. Ah, damn it. Wait, really? I can go into the room? Yeah, there's a few places we have. Well, yeah, there is. I mean, Steven's drawing it, so.
Let's blow this popsicle stand.
I guess there's something we have to do later in there. I don't know. And there's one light, Steven. Okay, here. Oh, this place. Come on, we need to figure. Steven, you look as pale as coal. Everything's okay? I'm fine. We should just keep moving.
Hey!
Okay. And we're going to end it here, though, because this has been going on way too long. Like, comment, and subscribe, and you guys know the rest. Yeah. Bye. Twisms, Yakamine, I don't know. That's the best I can come up with. Bye.